In this video, we are going to see how you can make your Anthurium plants bloom with a very simple ingredient easily available in your kitchen, that is oats. Oats have important nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium that plants need to grow healthy. It is particularly high in phosphorus. Phosphorus supports the transfer of energy throughout the plant for root development and flowering. Oats also have significant amount of magnesium, calcium, copper and zinc, all of which play crucial roles in promoting the overall well-being and growth of plants. You can use oats in many forms. An easy and effective way is: start by taking a glass of water and adding 2 spoons of oats to it. Allow the oats to sit in water overnight. During this time, the oats will release their minerals into water, creating a nutrient-rich solution. The next day, strain the water to separate the oats from the liquid. Now, you have a concentrated oats infused water. Take 2 to 3 spoons of this oats infused water and add it to your plant. This water contains essential minerals that can contribute to overall health and blooming of your plants. Using oats for plants is not something new. It has been used in crops for a very long time. Another method involves grinding the oats into a powder. Once you have the powdered oats, mix it into the upper layer of the potting soil around your plant. As the plant receives water and nutrients, the powdered oats in the soil will act as a natural fertilizer. Over time, this can contribute to plants' overall well-being and encourage it to bloom. Along with this formula, there are also several factors you must check to make your Anthurium plant flower. And the most important thing is proper lighting. Make sure your Anthurium plant is getting good amount of indirect light. Anthuriums prefer bright, indirect light. It plays a significant role in bloom development of plants. Light is essential for photosynthesis. The energy produced through photosynthesis is used for various plant functions, including flower and fruit development. Light influences the production and regulation of plant hormones, including those responsible for flowering. The energy produced during photosynthesis supports the metabolic process required for flower formation and blooming. Plants receiving insufficient light may divert energy away from reproductive process, affecting bloom quality and quantity. Also try to provide them good amount of humidity. Anthuriums thrive in high humidity. Aim for a humidity level of at least 60% or higher. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out always before watering. And if you want to use fertilizer to make it bloom, use a fertilizer with a higher phosphorus content to promote flowering. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.